Meet Mr. Smart Manager and his worried supervisor in Big Apple Manufacturing Company. The company has a sudden emergency at the factory because they need extra workers to combat the problem. The Smart Manager uses a shift scheduler and immediately notifies the morning shift workers. The employees get notified on their mobile phones and they respond with immediate confirmation of availability at the scheduled time. Within 30 minutes, the entire team was there and the emergency was resolved. Supervisor thanks the UB Attendance app for its efficiency. Schedule Anywhere, employee scheduling made easy, the new age attendance app for employees. Clients in over 70 countries love the UB Attendance app. Download the UB Attendance app now. If you have a question, call a specialist or chat online.